Hello YouTube, here's a question. Let's say that you need to grab all links from specific website, actually to be precise, from specific web page. So how we are going to do that? Well, first make sure that on your system you have requests and BeautifulSoup. So let's do that. I mean, I do have it on my system, but if this is your first time messing around with requests, then definitely you need to do these things. So pip install in your terminal, PowerShell, DOS, call it whatever you like. Pip install requests and enter. Yeah, I have it on my system, and pip install BS4. Enter. There you go. Now I can type some useful code when we are sure. Okay, so let's import it. Import requests. Oh, I don't know how to type these days. Requests requests, and from BS4 we are going to import BeautifulSoup. Hopefully I typed that correctly. Let me check that with F5 just to check imports. So actually I do have a problem. Cannot import name BeautifulSoup. Oh, I forgot one character right here. I told you I don't know how to type. F5, and now we are cool. Right. Anyway, let me grab something from keyboard. You can hardcode that domain or that page, but do whatever you like. I'm gonna just grab stuff from keyboard. So host, let's say, or page, input, for example, website to check or page to check, and let's respect some rules, uppercase P, a little bit of space. Now we need to issue that requests. How we are going to do that? Well, requeue or whatever it is. This is object that will be a result of requests. So let's use it. Requests, and then we need to use get method, and now we need to pass target to it. So on the left side there will be like protocol, HTTP, HTTPS, whatever, and on the right side we're gonna have, well, that domain. So how we are going to get it? Well, we already have it right here. So let's just copy paste it. I mean, sure, you can hard code stuff, but why not? Now when we do have request, we need to grab data. How we are going to grab it? Well, data equals requeue.text. Easy as that. Easy as that. Now, what about BeautifulSoup? How about filtering? Well, let's say that results will be like real stuff. BeautifulSoup, and because I don't know how to type, I'm gonna copy paste here. And then we need to target that specific data that we have because of this request. So data, and on the right side we're gonna state features. So features equals what we need, html.parser. And now when we have those results, we need to use for loop to actually print it one after another. How easy is that? Extremely. So for x or y or z or abc, whatever you like, type here. Classical for loop for x in what is data, real stuff this time. But now we actually need to find something in bunch of stuff. How we are going to do that? Well, we are going to say find all, and what we need specifically filter, that is something with a as a beginning. So href, a is a starting place. And for simplicity reasons, we can just print stuff on screen. We can send it to text file, we can send it to Excel file, to database, to socket, to, I don't know, there are so many options. Anyway, so now let's get those specific x, and we're gonna say get, and inside we will say href. That's what we need. Actually, I don't need this piece of brackets, this is just too much. So hopefully you see everything well. Let me run this script, run module, And there you go, page to check or website to check, and you can type any domain here, any page you like, and you're gonna see piles and piles. I mean, it depends how website is big, piles of links, and then you can do some additional filtering on those links. So I don't want to type that because your websites are different, your targets are different, so whatever you type here, I'm definitely sure it will work because I was using it up till now. So yeah, that's pretty much it. Relatively simple tutorial. Actually, it was a script that I wrote like 2 years ago. So I'm just basically retyping all these things. But it will be probably useful to you to some degree, because BeautifulSoup options are extremely big. So type anything here, press enter, and there you go, you're gonna have a bunch of results. So this is end of tutorial. Thank you for watching, and see you next one. Ciao.